So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss question which is asked in most of the interviews conducted by the companies. It's the search in the rotated sorted array. This question, like left rotated or right, depend on the question. Here it is left. Okay, so means three times or four times like that, and this is the example and output. So we are asked to write an algorithm which will run in big O of log n times. So log of n means it's a binary search problem. Okay, and as you can see in the topic also, binary search. And see, the trick is whenever you see a sorted or something keyword, then first approach which should come in your mind is that it's a binary search problem. Okay, so let's see without wasting any time. Okay, so whenever you solve a question, you should always start with the first approach, that is brute force. Okay, so what's this brute force is? Um, Whatever approach that comes in your mind first, like any random approach, that's called brute force. Okay, so just we'll take one example from here. Okay, so in this example, we have to find this given target 0. So we have to return the index of the target. Okay, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 base indexing. Okay, so this 4 is written as output. Okay, like that we have to solve this problem. So the brute force approach will be it's a really easy brute force. Okay, uh, in the brute force we will just initialize I equal to 0 for loop. Okay, for I is equal to 0 to n is the array size. Okay, array size, and we will just check if nums of I is equal to target and return I is equal. Okay, this was simple is the brute force approach. How this will work? I equal to 0 here, no. I equal to 1, no. And so this, if this I is moving, okay, I is moving, I equal to 1 here, then here, then here, I equal to 3 here. Okay, now I equal to 4. Now this matches with the target. Okay, so we just return I, that is 4. This is our answer. So like this is the brute force approach. Now we will move on to a optimize approach, which is arc size approach. Basically, we will use binary search here, okay? As we are asked to write a big of login algorithm, time complexity, like that. So binary search we don't need to learn. If you we will understand this step by step, okay? So let's take the above example. So now as you can see that only this part is sorted and this part is sorted. How we will find the zero here? Is it possible to find using binary search? So yes, we can find. We just have to modify binary search a little bit. Okay. So how to do that? I'll just show you. So what's the main binary search will? I'll just give you an idea how this will work. Okay. So first of all, low pointer will be here and high pointer will be here. So first we will check as it will sort in while loop we check low is less than equal to high. Okay. I'm just calculating it whatever it is low plus high by 2. Okay, now in this while loop we will check here if um, first mid, what is the mid? Okay, so now we have to array zero base indexing. Okay, zero base indexes. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This I am just writing for your understanding, okay? Otherwise, you can calculate very quickly if you know this. So 0 plus 6 by 2, 3 means this is the mid, okay? So now, first we will check here if the number at low index is less than equal to number at mid, okay? If this is true, okay, this is true. So here we can see 4 less than equal to 7. Okay, this is true. So next what we will do? Again we will inside of if we will check now if the number at index low is less than equal to target, and is very important. Okay, you cannot put or, otherwise it will give wrong answers. And target, we are checking in this range, okay? That's why I'm writing target less than equal to the number at mid. Okay, this much is true. Let's see if it's true. First, 4 less than 7 now. Number at index low is less than number at index high. Okay, this is true. So we enter in this. Now let's see. The number at index low is less than equal to target. What's our target? 0. This is false. So one more thing, if in and this condition comes false, then no need to change these conditions. Okay, you must know this, or don't also remember. If this became false, so this is not evaluated, but this became true, this is evaluated. Like that, if this becomes true, then this is not evaluated, the second condition. But if it becomes false, this is evaluated. Okay. So in our case, 4 less than equal to 7, this is false. Okay. So this is not evaluated. So we just, so this if condition is not, but so suppose this is true, then what we will do? Now here this is false. That means in this range we are in this range. Our target is not here, so we have to move low for out. Okay, this forward. We have to move low forward. So else this example will go in else. If it's false, we will go in else. So low equal to mid plus 1. That means our low will come now here. From here, it will come to here. So okay, so this becomes L. But what if this condition is true? Then high will go on the left side. Suppose this range of target is there, so this high will go here. Okay, so I'll just write this here. Okay, this now this if is complete. Okay, this if is complete. Now as we have searched in this range, now let's search on this range also. So if else, very important to put else, not if. If you put here if instead of else, then it will evaluate both the condition and answer may be wrong. Suppose this is false, then only we will go to this else. Like that the approach will work. Okay. So here else. So in the else, definitely it will go to this part. So condition does not required, and in the else we don't write condition, as you know. So the same thing we have to do here also, but with mid and high. Okay. If number and mid bracket and target less than equal to numbers of I. So what we will do here and in this part, let's see. Suppose we are looking now in this range with 5, 6, 7, 7. Now we are looking in this range. Okay. So if our target is here, As you can see, our target is here only 0. So we will call low here, and low equal to mid plus 1, else, as you know, high equal to mid minus 1. So now close, and so that's how the pseudocode will look like. Let's do a dry run quickly. Take a second example or target 3. Okay, okay, so first, if nums of 4 less than 7, yes, so we will enter in if is 4 less than 3. We have taken target 3. Okay, now in this here, so 4 less than equal to 3. Oh, this is false, so we enter in else, low equal to mid plus 1. Now here is num set mid less than 7 less than equal to 3. This is also false, so we just push high to mid minus 1. High comes here. Now as you can see that index of high is less greater than L. That means for loop terminates and become at the return statement, that is return minus 1. Okay, like that code will work. Let's just code it quickly. Now declare array size. Let's declare pointers. Let's calculate mid. So as written in the pseudo, first check if low is less than equal to nums of mid. Then again check nums of low less than equal to target, and target less than equal to nums of mid. Okay, so if this is true, then high equal to mid minus 1, else low equal to mid plus 1. Okay, now this block is complete. Now here else, the next half of the sorted array, rotated sorted array. So you can just copy this and just modify here mid, here high, and here you have to change low, as if in the next half means if in this half we have found the target, we will move the low from here to here. Okay, so low equal to mid plus 1, else let's move high mid minus 1. One more thing here, if the number at mid is equal to a target, return index of mid. Okay, let's come out of the loop and return minus 1. Let's see. Okay, running fine. Okay, as you can see, it's accepted. So thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video. Okay, if you need some more video or some help or something, just comment about the video also, and